Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can join the new Spring Firework Festival in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this My Little Pony update, you'll be able to join the new Spring Fireworks show. And this is the schedule. You will see the new Spring Firework and also the daily firework. And now it's time for the daily firework. And then if you want to see the firework show, you need to go to the old ocean at the onsen at 8 p.m. And now the fireworks are popping out, so we'll be able to see it. Just go to the Winter Utopia and go to the old ocean. And the fireworks are so beautiful, guys. And you can take a picture here like this. And I'm going to start to take a picture. Ooh, it's beautiful. And okay guys, that's how you can join the new Spring Firework Festival and Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!